Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by launching SQL Server Management Studio and connecting to the server where you will create the table. Once connected, make sure you have Create Table permission in the database. This avoids interruptions later. Now, select the target database in Object Explorer, right-click Tables, choose New Then Table, and the Table Designer opens. This first step puts you directly into the design surface, so you can define columns and types without extra navigation. You now define each column. Give a clear name, pick the correct data type, and decide nullability. This prevents data errors. Once columns are listed, mark the primary key on the appropriate column and enable identity with seed and increment when you need automatic numbering. Add constraints such as unique, default values, or check expressions to enforce rules at the database level. Make sure to match data types to expected values so storage and queries behave predictably. You finish by saving the table and giving it a descriptive name. Ssms produces the Create Table script, which you should review. Once done, copy that script into a new query window and run it so you can see exactly what was executed and make any last adjustments. After creation, insert a few test rows to verify constraints, indexing, and data types behave as expected. If something fails, check permissions, data type mismatches, and constraint definitions as your first troubleshooting steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.